Petty fam, I love the new energy with the resolution they recording. Hey, all right, we're doing Clarencenyc pressing Queen about her new song. Let's talk about it. Y'all gonna be on her live today? All right. I'm excited to hear this new song.
Boy, Clarencenyc, welcome back to my channel. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another video right here.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Claire. Petty fam. Welcome back to Petty fam. Welcome back to Petty Reactions. We back. Happy New Year. If you have not heard it already, we very excited about pressing Queen about her Let's Talk video. We can't wait to see it. We
have a special guest.
I have a special guest. A very talented artist named QUEENNAIJA.
Hi guys. Came through his house for a little bit. It's a nice house, by the way.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Came over here. He said he had some things he wanted to talk to me about, so we're doing a mukbang. I definitely should have got more food. Can I have yours?
Wait, what did you get? You got a kid's meal?
Sorry about that.
Is that a kid's meal? Anyways, so we got some food. We got some Panda Express here. What was that, orange chicken? Or?
I think that was sesame. Oh, that wasn't sesame. Give me. Oh, I'm playing. I thought I was eating a sesame one.
So we got a little bit of Panda Express. Queen got a kid's meal, but
no, this is a bowl. I should have got what you got. Dang, I'm starving. We got chicken egg rolls. He got rice. I like the chow mein. I don't know. The chow mein just do something to me. Oh my God, you make it. I be the main one talking, man. Dang.
That's right, y'all. Bless y'all food. Yes.
Oh, you just prayed too?
Yeah, I did. Because I was about to eat. I actually ate some before I prayed.
You see me and you felt bad?
Yeah, you held me accountable.
Okay. Well, today.
That's a good relationship. When one of, the other one get on. You see that? Y'all saw last video where Claire helped her get gas? Go ahead and watch that last video about CJ coming home. If you did not see it, it was full of action.
So I got you here. You know what I'm saying? Might as well ask you the questions
I'm a little nervous.
That everybody wants to know, you know?
What question?
So you dropped a song today. So let's talk about it. What do you mean by what do you mean by let's talk about it?
Are you trying to check me on my phone?
No, I'm not checking you. I'm asking you the questions that probably.
No, what are the questions
about your song?
What are that's a very.
I am curious. Like, what we talking about, Queen? We talking now. Like, what's the song about? You know, he be doing this. He be doing interviews on his channel, Queen. What's up?
Question. Do you have like?
I got some bullet points. All right, what made you come up with this song?
Well, you was there when we was in the studio in LA.
Yeah, but I don't.
And I heard the beat, and I really like the beat.
First of all, this is my first time meeting you, so.
Oh yeah, it was.
Strangers in the night. They had already shared food and everything. She forgot. She like, we just so comfortable together, you know. Don't tell Queen, the artist Queen, trying to take her man.
Okay.
So I don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. He don't know what we. Yeah. Okay. Well, when I first heard the beat, when I was recording for my album, I was like, you know, this sounds like a beat you got to talk your stuff on. Like, you can't be sweet on this beat. Like, I want the beat on my album. It's different for me. It has like a classic sound. It was a whole different beat before, to be honest, but it changed. But so I was like, yeah, this has to be a song where I'm like talking a little bit more spicy. So I decided to take the route of saying things that a lot of women probably would relate to. Okay. As you know, I have songs like Medicine, songs like Pack Light, girls love that stuff. And so I thought it would be good from like just the aspect of that. I was speaking from some things that I felt before, like personally, and maybe not at the time, but just like, you know, things that I could relate to at a point in my life. And yeah. And so, and some things that I can't relate to, but a lot of things that men do. I feel like a lot of times men have so much to say about women and like what they should be doing and all their standards and the things that they should uphold. But a lot of times men don't uphold themselves or have their own lives together, you know? And so, and they don't want to face it. They don't want to talk about it. So it's just like, let's talk about the stuff you got going on.
So you basically said, these niggas, is what you said, like.
No, I didn't say that. I actually.
You say basically. I mean.
I actually feel for men. No, I actually, and I want to get this, let's get this straight. That is not a men bashing song. It's not a men bashing song. It's a hold you accountable song.
Right. And then I heard she got a little meat with her on the song. Okay, that should be hot. Let me see.
When I said, why you scared of therapy? It's because I want you to go to therapy. Because it's a good thing. And because a lot of men... No, I'm talking about just men. Well, men in general. I want you to go to therapy too. And you went, so you're not scared of therapy. So you went, okay? So let's just get that clear. He went to therapy, y'all. No. But a lot of men...
How you know? No, play. You supposed to be the other queen. No, he did. I'm proud of Clare. You're right. Everybody needs to get their stuff together. So any self-improvement is welcome.
In general, are scared of therapy because they feel like one is for, like it's not for them because like you just pay them for nothing. Really, it helps. And they don't want to face a lot of men don't want to face things about themselves. And they want to keep just living life doing things how they want and living life how they want. When really, therapy will call you out on some stuff about yourself, and you know you have to face it and change some things about yourself. And a lot of people don't, even women, we don't, you know, a lot of times, like even me, like it's things, when I went to therapy, I had to like really be like, dang, maybe I am selfish a little bit. Like, you know what I'm saying?
So you're saying, because I feel like you ain't really answer my question on like what made you come up with the song.
I did.
You just said you was in the studio. Or you said...
The beat made me come up with the song.
So you had no intentions on like, I'm about to uplift, this about to be a woman's, like was it any kind of...
In my head I wasn't like, yeah, let me make a song talking about these niggas because it was just like the girls gonna love this. I really need to microwave this.
She don't like no cold food, Claire. You make her food cold. But yeah, you know, I'm always, you know, Queen is she like literally the queen of the uplifting songs about the sisters, you know, so that she gonna have us behind it. We gonna feel it, you know. We get to talk our stuff, right? I like it.
What?
Like this don't make no sense how cold it is.
It's because you got noodles.
Dang, man. 30 seconds. Quick 30.
So she basically said just, you know, niggas.
Here you go. Basically said what? Because a guy can hop on the same beat and say the same thing about women, so. Niggas be focused on the wrong thing. They be focused on what the girl doing and girls and like not worrying about putting money in their pocket, like enough. You know what I'm saying? Worrying about what a woman doing, but not like focusing on your bread. That's what I mean by focus on your revenue. What else you got to ask me?
Why you feel like this is like an interrogation?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. She had no idea. I just asked her to do a mukbang with me. I probably haven't asked that in a really long time. I haven't did a mukbang. So she probably thinks I'm up to something, but I'm not.
Are we promoting my song?
Yeah, this is a good
Okay.
promo for your song too.
Okay.
So that people would love to know. You know what I'm saying? But
This is funny.
okay, you kind of explained the message behind the song.
Are there certain parts you want to talk about?
Obviously this is the single off the album, right? Or is it not?
I'm gonna be honest. The first single off the album was "Hate Our Love." That was the first single. I just took a very long time to drop the next one, but since it is a new year, I wanted to kind of refresh. Also, it worked out great because like this is a 5-year. Remember when you told me to drop my song "Medicine"? Oh wait, we don't know each other. Wait, I forgot. This.
They so funny. They are so funny to me, y'all. I can't take it. They just too cute. Oh, this know each other, not know each other thing is driving me up the wall. I'm trying to stay here and be quiet. They are hilarious. They keep forgetting. You know, it's like A, they best friends. B, they see each other every day, all day. C, she already ate off the damn plate, you know? So, but I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let them do it. It's cute though.
Guy told me to drop my song called "Medicine" New Year's.
Probably.
And so for the new year, I wanted
handsome.
to kind of like, he was very handsome. He was. I miss him. So, yeah, so it was, since it was a 5 years is like it's a milestone. So I wanted to drop another song for that 5-year milestone in the same kind of, what's the word? Just like the medicine, that same like, of course it's never gonna be another medicine because that was the first song ever, but like in the same, that's Armand.
Armand, why are you interrupting our thing? Is you gonna tell her about her song? Y'all need to do a song together while we at it.
I ended up I'm doing a video real quick.
Oh shit! All right, my fault.
No, you good.
You about to show some shoes?
Hey, Armand.
You got those, or when did you get those?
That's cute too, cause they real bruh. See, and the queen, the artist, and Clare, you know, the interview guy. They got something in common. They both know Armand, so he gonna hook them up as a couple. I like it.
I told you I was grabbing all of them.
He got this. See, I need those.
Oh wait, we don't know each other.
I got all of them, bro.
Bro, but can I get the plug too?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Just hit me out.
All right. So what was you saying?
I wanted to drop a song for the 5-year anniversary of medicine, but in the same kind of, do you get what I'm trying to say?
Not really.
Okay.
Not really, Queen.
I think they get it. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. In the same kind of,
Fashion?
no, not fashion. Not fashion. Forget it, y'all. I just want to drop a song for the 5 years. Yeah, I didn't want it to be a love song. That's all.
Okay. So you wanted it to be different.
She just trying to eat her food, y'all.
Opposite of love. Type shit.
Like not a
Like a super. Is this your favorite song off the album?
no.
This is not your favorite song.
If y'all don't know, I'm really like, I feel like my music allows me to put on this alter ego. I'm really a lover. Like, I'm really a soft life kind of girl. I'm a softie. I love the soft life. I'm a gentle girl. I'm not really hard. I don't like to argue. I don't like any of those things in my song, but sometimes I feel that way on the inside. But so my music allows me to put that, like, to bring that side out, because so many other women can relate to just feeling that way.
That's true. That's true. That's what I love about her music, because she can really like kind of speak to what you want to say. It's like, you know, some people are like very outspoken, and then other people, you know, it's like, I feel this way. And, you know, sometimes you just can't be all out like, oh, you know, I'm going to tell him what I think, or, you know, it's not as easy to express yourself to somebody that you care about or you love, you know. So sometimes you just need a song. You let that song play in the background, you know, you be like, you know, get your little courage up. Be like, yeah, you know, you bob into it, and they even make you feel better. So you ain't even got to go off with the song go off. Let the song speak for you.
Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Like, I mean, if you want to even keep it real, a lot of people do that with their music. Like JT, in a whole relationship, she in love with her
city girls,
and but like, she's still a city girl as an artist.
Yeah.
And I think that's what people need to understand with me. Like, you guys can, all right, now we do know each other. We have a channel together, by the way, Queen and Clarence. We do. And yeah, like, everybody can clearly see how I am with him. And like, I'm in a relationship. Everybody knows I love him very much. But in my music, it gets people wondering. It's like, hold on, wait a minute, what's going on? Like,
No.
But y'all like see, y'all, it's like, I feel like people can't, they attach everything to my life because they see my life too. But if I was just a regular artist and not posting on YouTube, it could be more mysterious.
So you think that's caused by YouTube?
Yeah, but it's not a bad thing. I could do both. I'm just a girl that could do both.
So you don't think people, when JT is making her music, you don't think people be like, nigga, she is in love with Uzi? You don't think people?
I think they do that.
She don't do YouTube.
Yeah, but it shows a lot more on mine. Me and you
I would agree.
more.
Yeah, I would agree.
I think because, you know, JT she off the chain. So you already know about JT. She like, you know, she got that whole like, you know, attitude swagger kind of thing. And like Queen of Mom, she's sweet, you know. And so when something happened, we'd be like, worried. Be like, what this song about? What happened? But, you know, I think people just gonna, you know, the more successful you get, people gonna keep putting stuff on you anyway, you know? So you just don't worry about it. We already know, girl. We know y'all good. We see it all the time. We enjoying these videos, you know what I mean? So let the haters hate, you know? They gonna hate anyway. They, you know, hate on y'all love.
I would agree. So you saying people should give you room to be an artist? Is what you're saying?
Yes, I feel like there's two queens, and I said it's on the other channel. There's like family queen, and there's like queen alone, like QUEENNAIJA the artist. And I feel like they gotta separate those two, and I gotta separate those two, cause sometimes I be focused on being QUEENNAIJA so much that I don't want nobody to see the family queen, because I feel like in a way people are not gonna respect QUEENNAIJA. I hate how I say my name. I'm saying it like how everybody else says. It's QUEENNAIJA with an I, not an I.
You know, but you know what I always say? What do I always say? My advice to you on that, like, I think...
That helps?
Yeah, I think it do. Even though, like...
Can I have a sesame chicken?
Go ahead. I think, even though I do understand... You know how to use chopsticks?
Mm-hmm. That's not bad.
When did you learn that?
Remember when we went to LA?
Nah.
What? What?
You dated an Asian nigga?
No. Remember when we first was going around for my...
You dated an Asian.
Remember we started using chopsticks?
Stop using. When did
we went to Katsui a lot. I am thinking Asian nigga.
I'm not Asian.
Man, we went to this before. No.
So.
What else?
And leave her alone. She was eating in the car. You missed the last video, Claire, because you was trying to get gas. She was eating with chopsticks. Don't be coming for her. I mean, just because she know how to eat with chopsticks, you go ahead and honor people's traditions and stuff. You know, if they eat with chopsticks and you can get with the chopsticks and you not, you know, you got your finger dexterity together or whatever, you go ahead and eat with the chopsticks. But you know, I ain't got that much patience. I'm like, fork, shovel. You know, you gotta be cute with the chopsticks. Or I like to eat noodles. I don't really get with noodles like that either.
Oh, this is nasty.
The sesame chicken?
Everything. Like the rice is nasty too. I'm just forcing myself.
Yeah, you gotta pick and choose what you get there. I think, you know, walnut shrimp, I'm with that. The orange chicken, sometimes it's a little too spicy for me, but it's good. It be hitting sometimes. I don't be doing all the extra stuff.
I hate when that happens.
Chopsticks is nasty. Everything.
You don't like the orange chicken either?
I don't like nothing. The best thing was the egg roll.
I told y'all, sometimes it be buzzing and sometimes it don't.
But
What else you want to talk about?
wait, what was we just talking? Because I feel like I had something to say, but I lost my train of thought. What?
Okay, so.
We was just talking about something.
Oh, you said, what do you always say? Like, about, like, YouTube
So
separating?
basically, because I know for people that come from YouTube, kind of like suffer from like people wanting to take them seriously, but like,
Yeah.
I think you
It's a real
guys,
thing.
I think it's like the same relationship athletes and rappers got. Like athletes want to be rappers, they want to be with rappers, and like the rappers want to be with like the athletes. Like it's like you want what you don't have. Do you get what I'm saying? But like you got to look at what you got, and like what you got, they want. Like all artists want. Like imagine if artists had the freedom to like make money outside of just music. Like, do you get what I'm saying? That's why there's a bunch of artists hopping on YouTube. Like, NLE Chopper, he's
Yeah.
on YouTube. He's doing, that kid's going crazy on YouTube. Like,
You know what I look at it as now?
John Morant, there's athletes doing YouTube, like, vlogging. Like, and he makes millions of dollars. Why does he have the vlog? It's just like, one, it helps your brand. It's over the money and everything. It helps your brand. And two, it's an extra bag.
It is.
Doing what you do every day. Like,
I want to say this, like, I thought about it in this way too. That's why, like, I stepped back from YouTube a while. Even me and him we had debates about this and everything. Cause like, I just stopped taking it serious because I felt like not taking it serious. I stepped back from it. Yeah, I stopped taking it serious. I stopped taking it serious because I felt like I wasn't being taken serious. But the reality is that was a little selfish because there was people there in the beginning that still wanted to like see me. But I feel like also those people understood too. The way I look at it now is I'm not a YouTuber who does music. I'm an artist that does YouTube.
okay.
So like that made me feel better about like the whole situation. I always been an artist my whole life. I just never was signed. I've always wrote songs, even if I didn't record in the studio. Like I'm a natural born creator in a sense of music. Like I'm a natural born artist. I was always meant to be an
You're also
artist.
a natural born entertainer.
Am I?
Yeah. Like, it doesn't take much for you to, I mean, like not to be funny or anything, but like, if we pack this room up right now, right, with just random people, right? Mm-hmm. I feel like you could get in the middle and entertain people, like just, and that's on the most simplest part. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're just funny. Like, you could be goofy at times. Like, you know what I'm saying? Me, like, I would just let it be like more of a dry party. What are you doing? What was that? It looked like you was going in for a kiss, but like to my chin though.
You made her laugh. She was eating, you know, and she think you cute and stuff.
I was leaning in for a kiss.
But like, yeah, you're right.
That was so awkward. They too cute.
That's funny. Thank you.
And I think you fight it. She fights it, but she don't want to say that. It's cool.
I don't know if I fight it. I think I just changed.
Yeah.
I do still have a goofiness to me. It's just I'm not as loud with it as I was before. And not because I'm forcing it to be that way. It's just it just changed over time.
You don't want to get like
what? What?
Like you don't want to put like your foot to your head no more because they probably posted on the shade room.
I just haven't thought about putting my foot to my head in a very long time, and I can't because I'm big. I'm not as small as I used to be.
Yo, when I seen that, it was mad funny.
Can I do that still?
You're pretty flexible though.
Yeah, I can. I can do it.
Okay.
But
Random foot to the head during the mukbang. Okay, you guys seen it here.
you brought it up. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Oh yeah. I mean, we kind of got sidetracked a little bit right there.
That'd be you.
No, that was you too. I already asked, is it your favorite song on the album? You said no. Wait, what is your favorite song on the album?
I'm trying to shoot, my bad.
Oh, this rice is freezing.
My favorite song on the album. It's probably Officially Loving Me. And I like Be
That's a good
Careful.
song.
I like Be Careful. With that rapper. What?
That rapper.
I can't say the
That's
name.
funny. Nah, no, I'm just saying. That's my funny. Yeah, but that is a good song.
And I really like the song with that R&B singer too. But
My favorite one would probably be.
is it Fading Away? Oh no, never mind.
You can't tell him which one his favorite, girl. Let him tell us. Is that one about him? Probably not though, because they not fading away. I don't know what that one about, so don't quote me. But you know, he probably helped like guide her through the song or something. That's probably why she's saying that.
Wait, are we telling the?
Even the one with the rapper is up there.
Yeah, because you like when I do.
I like when
Urban
you get out
stuff.
the box here.
He like when I do rappy stuff. Like I'm an R&B. I love R&B, so I'd rather do
I
that.
like R&B too, but I just you
No, you don't love
I like
R&B.
relate. I can just relate more to it when it's like, you know, a little hip hop.
Do you like that song? Let's talk about it.
I do like it.
Me too.
I don't know if you remember, but you went around like you asked. I remember being in the studio and you asked. I think you asked everybody in the studio room, but I was out, and then you called me in, and everybody already had their answers, and then you asked me.
And you
what
said I should release this one.
and
that was last
it
year.
was between this song or
And another
another
one.
song, and I picked this one. I don't know if you remember that.
Yeah, because you said the other song was like expected of me,
It's
and
just
this wasn't
typical.
really super
Yeah, it was
expected.
typical. This one's not really that expected. It's a little. It's not too far outside your box, but it's like you said before, it's not lovey-dovey and beautiful.
My last song was Lovey Dovey, Hate Our Love.
Yeah.
I wonder who that was about.
Huh?
I wonder who that was about.
What you mean?
Hate Our Love.
Are you asking me, or are you saying
I'm
like?
not saying I wonder.
I mean, you know, you're the artist.
You're right. And there was a guy on the cover of it with me. Did I ever?
I wonder who that was, y'all. Y'all let me know in the comments. She back to role playing again.
Did I ever pay that guy?
I'm still waiting on it.
Did I ever pay that guy for being on my cover? I don't know. I can't remember his face, which is the back of his head.
Probably not.
That's a big chicken.
Probably just gave him some cheeks.
I mean, that's a way of payment.
She said, "Good enough."
That's illegal, actually.
No, that's a way of payment.
Yeah, I think that's your phone. Is that your phone?
Somebody call me on Facebook? Oh, FaceTime. Who on Facebook?
Facebook is crazy.
I don't know who's on FaceTime right now trying to call me, but whatever.
So what made you get Little Meech in it?
They was trying to get me to do. Well, first of all, we didn't want to do a regular guy. They was trying to. Usually, when they try to put guys in the video, they send me all of these these male castmate models, and they be looking real just muscular and just like. And I was like, I kind of don't like. I said, I don't want just a regular guy in there. I want somebody that people know, like a cameo. And so at first, I think we asked. They asked they asked me, how would you feel about? No, I think we said Woody McClain, like somebody that played on someone that actually acts. And then I think Woody denied or whatever because Yeah, Woody denied because I think they said he didn't want to be in the video, not a video vixen, but he just wanted to stay
acting
for his brand. I didn't want somebody to look super modelly and Hollister, like a Hollister model, tall and I just didn't want no muscular kind of. They was just sending me all these pretty guys.
Zesty looking.
I didn't want no zesty guy. So then we thought about
Why you gotta be zesty, Claire? I told y'all, Claire petty. I don't care what y'all say. You don't at me.
Then they asked me, did I want to do I just didn't have no connection. So then the third one was well, BMF is coming out, so Meech would be good. And so they asked, and then he was able to do it. And yeah, they asked last minute too, 2 days. So it was.
Yeah, if y'all watch BMF, y'all know.
Thank you, Meech.
Do you remember?
I remember. I remember for Hate Our Love, Clarence was telling me that
I be saying
I should have did my video in Detroit.
I be way ahead of the game.
I know. I should have did my video in Detroit instead of New York because I'm not from New York, whatever.
Shout out to Little Meech. And I fuck with you. The kid you be having that shit on. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with the series. But a nigga vouched for you a year ago. With the Hate Our Love shit, I thought it should be in.
I didn't want to have no.
No, you didn't have to be a love, but it would have just been good cameo, because.
No, I know.
She swears she's from New York. So
Bro, leave me alone. I just wanted New York because of the Detroit don't have. I love Detroit. Don't get me wrong. Anybody who watches this from Detroit, I'm not I'm from Ipsy anyway, but I love Detroit. Okay, but I'm just saying that. Detroit don't really have the bridges and the landscape of how New York and the bridges, and it was you know what I mean. So I had a certain look that I.
You could have went to Chicago, but I ain't gonna tell you that. Not gonna tell you that, sis. We is not being petty.
And plus, Hate Our Love was a sample from the Jay-Z song Cry. So I was just it made a lot of sense.
Really?
But yeah.
But yeah. I know people probably be thinking I be upset or whatever about your videos or whatever, but I just wanted to be.
Oh, that's why you made this video.
No. I'm talking about that's why I had told you do you remember me saying that damn you should put a Little Meech in the video. Listen, I was just thinking Detroit when I was just. At that time, I was just heavily into the BMS shit. I'm that would be fire, especially with some fur coats or some shit. I don't know what y'all got over there, but
Man, it was tough because when he went shopping, I ain't gonna say it. Should I not say that?
What the?
It was just tough because
Oh, the Balenciaga?
The Balenciaga. All he wore was Balenciaga throughout the whole thing. So you guys can't see it because they had to take it off. But like, well, videos can't have logos anyway. But I was just scared that I was gonna like, man, that's
They
tough.
be putting that shit on.
That's tough.
He put that shit on. But yeah. Is there anything else you would like to say about your song or want them to know?
Yes. This song is not shade at him or my ex.
Hold on.
I'm sorry. I'm tired of people saying that. Every time I make a song that's just directed towards men, why she still talking about her?
Right. You talking in generalities. And, you know, a lot of the good songs, if we talking about anybody, other people make songs. You got a friend that you know, she confided in you about what's going on. You see something on, like, you know, a show or something, and it speaks to your heart. And I mean, like, honestly, y'all need to just stop. It's like she ain't just had no 2 relationships, you know. Everybody of a certain age and dated some people in high school or had some crush, or like, you got so many different experiences as a woman, right? Come on now. How many relationships have y'all had? I mean, y'all can't just keep messing with her about 2 guys that y'all know about. Like, get over it. Like, seriously. I'm sorry, I feel petty now. Leave her alone. It ain't about neither one of them, like she said.
Ex, or, oh, she must be talking about Clarence. If the song sound like, it's a lot of things in general. This whole song is like just general, like a lot of men do. Like, niggas do not pick up their son. Like, I'm not talking about my ex though. Like, but they don't be picking up their kids, but they want to be out. Niggas will go and put babies up in women unintentionally, like knowing they don't have no intentions of marrying them. Like, just putting babies in just multiple women, like, with no intentions of like having a family with them or like creating
I feel like
something further.
I feel like we need to hear a nigga get on this beat too.
Yeah, we could.
Like, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't mind. I don't mind. Who you think?
There's a lot of stuff that I don't know, but whoever do it need to get, I could be there. You know, I could help.
Like who?
Just some ideas.
So what? You want to talk about women too? Like what? What? You want
to? I'm just saying I'm team men. That's all I'm saying. And I'm gonna
listen. I'm team women and men though.
Nah.
I'm for the men too. No, for real.
Babe, you are a heartbreak R&B singer. You're not team men.
I am team men.
So
men
can we
deserve
expect
love too, yo.
I love the brothers now. I really do. I love y'all dearly. So I don't even know if I'm gonna pick a team or whatever. Cause like some stuff you be walking into, like, you know better than that. You can't set yourself up for it. So it ain't like women all innocent and men all dogs. I ain't with that. But, so I'm not saying either way, but I'm definitely not men, But like, I don't think she is either. I think it's just that, as an artist, you got to speak to your audience, right? So it ain't even what you experience. It's about what your audience can relate to, So that's my thing. I think she's saying towards what she knows that we want to hear, that we experiencing, And so if you sing it to like your younger sisters, high school crushes or like college sisters or whatever, people with new relationships or people who just got their heart broken recently, or even older people, like everybody can relate to Queen's songs, So it's like, the universally of everybody ain't got their heart broken. Everybody been in love before. People feel some way about, they baby daddy, they kids, they, husband, they, they boo or whatever. It's like certain topics everybody gonna sing about, like, really.
Like the uplifted men song?
Yes. Yeah. No, I'm saying I don't care about making one of them. Like
No, you don't have to. I'm saying you don't have one. And you have
Yes, I do. Hate Our Love is like that.
No, Hate Our Love is like a us song. It's
so you like just make a song about men.
This shit is dead literal. It's like niggas is hating on love. Like, it's so literal. Like, that's not about. It's not an uplifted man song. Like, I've never heard you say like
Black King. He's a Black King.
All right, now let's see. Go ahead and sing that one. I like that one. I like how it's starting off. You got a little Wakanda to it. He wants something like a brown skin. I love that one too. But yeah, look out for Queen to come out with the Black King song. I'm with that. I'm with you.
He's a black king.
I'm about to turn this off.
I mean, I don't mind making like I don't mind. Listen, y'all, I don't want, my intention is not to bash men. Men are very important. We need men, okay? Like,
Essential, critical, can't do without them. Like, I don't want to imagine the world without them. Like, seriously, everything.
for real. Women need men. Y'all need women too. But like, I'm for the men too. The song is not to bash men.
I got it's brothers. You know what I'm saying? I feel like
so you don't stand for women?
No, I do.
You say you team men.
No, I do stand for women.
No, you don't.
I do stand for women, and I respect women. I just think we, like us as men, we kind of get like forgot about. Like we kind of get forgot about.
Nobody's forgetting about y'all.
No, we do. Not physically, but we get it.
Queen, now you just finished saying that he got, with therapy, you get a little introspective about life and stuff, She like, ain't nobody worry about y'all. Everybody know about me. They so cute together. Now you gotta change my album. Like, we supposed to be talking about my song. You got me doing new songs. They so cute.
We get forgotten about
emotions?
Emotionally, and we get forgotten about mentally. Like, everybody expects us to just be like, it starts off when you're young. I'm telling you, it starts off when you're young and you scrape your knee and you start crying. What's the first thing?
And that's why they feel like they don't need therapy, because you can just suck it up.
If you're a boy, what they say? Suck it up, stop crying. Wipe them tears. We don't cry. We don't, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because I think you've done the same thing as a dad.
Yes, I do, but I do it differently. I don't say, we're men, you're not supposed to cry. Those are the things I heard. I say, wipe your tears, baby boy. Like, you don't have to cry. You know what I'm saying? Which is true. Same thing I would tell my daughter. But it's how it was presented to me was, you a man, you're not supposed to cry. That's the wrong wording.
Yeah, I don't believe in that either.
You can cry. But there's certain things that you're crying about that's not that serious, Legend. That's all I'm saying. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. If your iPad died, you shouldn't be out over here crying like somebody just slapped you. And that Legend be doing that. So that's what I'm saying. I do.
That's true. But, I think social media and, like, gadgets and stuff is a lot more important. It's, like, increasingly more important to little kids. It's like, that's my friend. And now it ain't working no more. Like, I was watching that, and now it's gone. Like, they don't understand the gap about, like, all we got to do is plug it up,
A little different. I'm aware of
Same with CJ.
I'm aware of that.
He still cry about.
They both. They don't really understand, like, what you should be crying about, or, like, the simple things. It's just.
Yeah.
I don't know how we got to that, but besides that.
I just want to say I'm team women, but I'm also team men too.
Okay.
I know you don't think I am, but if I wasn't, like, I genuinely do feel like it's not just the men that got stuff going on. Women too, we got stuff we got. But I'm just saying, this song was just not about that though. It was just about,
It's just different. It's different.
What's different?
If you scream the R word, you, like, niggas will believe you. Like, you know what I'm saying? If
you scream that, people will believe you.
What? Niggas ain't feeling bad for me. I'm not walking around here like, damn. Niggas ain't under my post like, yo, bro.
You saying women get more sympathy than men?
Not sympathy. That's not sympathy. That's real shit. That girl that went through something, just like a nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's all. That's where, like, when it gets emotional and mental, it's like, nah, they good.
No, but that's the whole point of why I said something about men in therapy in a song. Cause y'all feelings do matter, and y'all should, like, that's the whole point. Like,
I'm an advocate. I've been preaching about it.
He used to, I'm gonna be honest, like, before he started going, he didn't really
I wasn't fucking with it.
He wasn't messing. He didn't really believe in therapy. Like, what? I'm not about to go and pay somebody for.
Yeah, and that shit expensive. I'm like, bro, what? And
I could just. Yeah, like, but you know.
I see where it worked though.
Yeah, but a lot of men out there are scared of it. So hey.
See, but that's what I'm saying. I think that's where you're not giving the men the sympathy. Because some men, it's not that we're scared, it's that we are wired to think a certain way.
I know it starts from...
I wasn't scared. And I'm not saying you was talking about me. I'm just saying I'm, as a black man,
but a lot of men...
I wasn't scared. I just didn't know. There's no one that ever...
But can you be...
I've never sat down... Like, I've had about 3 guidance counselors in my life. No one has sat down and asked me, are you okay? Like, do you want to speak about it? No one has ever, like, that's my life as a black man.
I know, when
I'm pretty sure you as a woman have been asked, are you okay? Thousands of times, babe. And I'm a grown-ass man.
Not really. I ain't throwing no shade on him. I'm going to let him talk, but just, you know, y'all know. Don't nobody check on us that often.
I can't even picture. I can tell you on one hand how many times niggas asked me, am I okay? Or genuinely said, yo, I'll sit here and listen, or like, bro, do you get what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying.
When I say scared of therapy, I don't mean like...
How you doing music on yourself? I see what you're saying, bruh. You don't need no violins. You know, you're right. We need to care about our brothers. We need to care about what they think and how they feel. I'm with that 100%. You know, he being funny with these violins, you know, and I'm all for the giggles, but seriously, he right.
Hey, I'm Team Men. I got us.
Clarence, hush. Stop.
End the video.
I'm Team Men and Women.
I want to end it like this.
All right, y'all. Peace out. Sorry, I'm turning the camera back on. He didn't let me get out what I need to say. All I'm saying is, I have to just close out with this. Look, he won't close it. All I'm saying is, when I say why you scared of therapy, it's also a metaphor for, like, a lot of guys just don't want to hear what's wrong with them. They don't want to take it. They don't want to even face it. They don't want to talk about it, period.
And girls do?
What?
You think girls...
Go back and end it how you wanted to end it.
You think girls like to hear what they need to work on?
No, but we're not afraid
to do it.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying. I'm fighting for y'all, man. Again.
It don't take away the fact that they don't like to, y'all. Bruh.
Y'all are so hilarious. They are so funny. They are hilarious. Bye, y'all.